In Creo Parametric, you can create features in parts. In this video, I will show you how to create your first feature. In a previous video, I started this part model. Now I'm going to create an extrude in it. Many features in Creo are sketch-based. That means that you start off by creating a sketch and then you do something to the sketch. Here is the icon for creating a sketch. You can see from the tooltip that the keyboard shortcut is the letter S. However, I recommend that you concentrate on the model in the graphics area. If I select the plane that I want to sketch on, a mini toolbar will open up, and from the mini toolbar, I can select the sketch icon. This puts me into sketch mode. From the In Graphics toolbar, I can choose the sketch view so that I'm looking normal to my sketch plane. I'm going to use the icon next to it to turn all my datums off. I will select all and then select it once more to turn off all their display, and then click left on the background to get out of that menu. For my first sketch, I'm going to sketch a rectangle. Let me go to the drop down. Here is the choice for a corner rectangle. I'm happy with that. And I'm going to locate one of the corners here at the intersection of these blue dashed lines. Those are your sketch references. I go into that more in other videos, but for now, all you have to do is just know that you can sketch normal to them. And as I'm sketching, I'm going to let the rectangle snap to being equal sides. That's good. I will left click in order to create my rectangle. I could create other rectangles, but I don't want to. So I will click the middle mouse button to get out of rectangle creation mode. Here is a dimension that Creo Parametric suggests to me, and I want to change the value. Maybe instead of 200, I want a value of 300 for my set of units. That is good. I'm happy with my sketch, so I will click the check mark to get out of sketch mode. My model resizes. I'm using the middle mouse button to rotate a little bit. Also, my sketch is still selected. If you take a look in the model tree, here you can see that it is highlighted. This also indicates that it is still selected. Now I can do something to that sketch, such as extruding it. And I can choose extrude from the ribbon. You can also see that the keyboard shortcut is the X key. But since the sketch is selected, I could just click on the right mouse button, and this will open up my right mouse button menu and my mini toolbar. Here from the mini toolbar, I can access the extrude command. Creo is a lot easier, again, if you just concentrate on the model in the graphics area and do as much as you can from there, as opposed to going to different ribbons or commands from around the screen. So let's click on extrude. Here we are getting a suggestion for the height. I'm just using the scroll wheel on my mouse to zoom in and reposition. Let me double click on the dimension. I want this to be much smaller. I will enter in a value of 10. That is good. Let me hit the check mark and then fit everything to my screen. And in that way, I have created my first feature, an extrude, which was created with a sketch.